Volcanoes, as beautiful as they are, serve as a preview and a warning of how God will ultimately destroy the world. That's the hidden warning, I think. When you look at volcanoes, don't they remind you of Revelation 21, verse 8, which reads, "But the fearful, the unbelieving, the abominable, and murderers, and fornicators, and sorcerers, and idolaters, and all liars shall have their part in the lake which burns with fire and brimstone." What about Revelation 20, verse 15, which reads, "And anyone whose name was not found written in the book of life was thrown into the lake of fire." That reminds me of volcanoes. It reminds me of lava flows. However, I'm not saying I know exactly how God will destroy the world. I'm not saying I know exactly how He will direct the fires, but I'm just saying each time I look at volcanoes, they remind me of those verses that we've just read. We are a generation that uses fire to sin, fire in the form of weapons that harm, the guns, the missiles, fire in the electricity powering our devices that we use for mischief, the smartphones, the computers, the televisions, and fire to fuel our hedonistic ventures. It's fitting then that God will use a lake of fire and brimstone to bring an end to all works of evil. Let these beautiful lava flows from Iceland and anywhere in the world not only captivate your eyes, but also serve as a sobering reminder of the judgment to come. May they inspire you to seek God and invest your life in things eternal.